Welcome to Math Tutor channel. This channel contains videos for NCERT mathematics from class 6 to 12. So after seeing the video, if you have any doubts, you can contact the mail ID given at the end. If you want math tuition also, you can contact the mail ID and get the details. In this video, we will see NCERT mathematics for class 12. Chapter 1 Relations and Functions. Next we will see exercise 1.2 8th problem. Let A and B the set. Show that function A cross B tends to B cross A such that f of A comma B is equal to B comma A is a bijective function. So we will prove 1 to 1 also. So substitute A to B A1 A2 B to the B1 B2. So we will get B1 equal to B2, A1 equal to A2. That is, every element we will have a distinct value. So it is a one-to-one function. To prove onto function, so consider this example A equal to 2 and B equal to 1. So f of 2 comma 1 will be equal to 1 comma 2. So every pair of B comma A will have a mapping in A comma B. So it is an onto function because the Cartesian product of A cross B will contain elements from A as first element and B as the second element. Whereas in the Cartesian product of B cross A will have set B element as the first element and set A element as the second element. So all the elements of B comma A will present in A comma B. So all the elements will get mapped, so it is an onto function. Next, exercise 1.2 9th problem. Here domain, codomain are all natural numbers. F of n equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. So I have to prove whether it is a bijective. So to prove 1 to 1 function, put n is equal to 1. F of 1 will be, since 1 is an odd number, the condition is n plus 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2 is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. F of 2 is an even number, so n by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. For both the values I got same result, so it is not a one-to-one function. Next, to prove onto function, let y equal to n plus 1 by 2 and y equal to n by 2. Take the two conditions for odd and even separately. So 2y equal to n plus 1. So 2y minus 1 equal to n. On the other side, n will be equal to 2y. So if I check this condition, for every value of n I am getting 2 into y. That is, for every value of y I will have a mapping in the domain. That is, I will have Substitute n equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1 is 1. On the other side 2 into 1 will be 2. So n equal to 1 and n equal to 2. So for every element in the codomain will have a mapping in the domain. So it is an onto function. Next exercise 1.2 10th problem. Let A equal to real number except 3 and B is a set which containing a real number except 1. Consider the function f where A tends to be defined by f of x is equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. Is f a 1 to 1 and onto function? Justify your answer. So take 1 to 1 condition first. Substitute x equal to x1 and x equal to x2. So x1 minus x2 by x1 minus x3 equal to x2 minus x2 by x2 minus x3. Equating, cross multiply and equate on both the sides. After simplification, I will get x1 equal to x2. So this condition proves that if they are equal, then same element will be mapped to the element in the codomain, which means it is a 1 to 1 function. To prove onto function, let y equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. After simplification, I will get x equal to minus 2 plus 3y by y minus 1. Substitute this in f of x. So f of x will be equal to y, which means that every value of y will get mapped by the function. So it is an onto function. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact the mail ID mentioned this video in mathtutor1502@gmail.com. If you want math tuition, you can also contact the same mail ID. The tuition will be taken in two languages. One is Tamil, another one is English. Thank you all.